Welcome, welcome to another edition of Bailey Basnight Market Bites, and we have a treat for you today. We're previewing one of our new listings. It's going to be on the market hopefully next week, and Woody will tell us all about this house. Tell us what's going on here, Woody.
Yeah,
this is a great house.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Jim. Yeah, so I'm not only going to be listing the house, but my business partner and I bought this to renovate. And so it's been a labor of love, if you will. Not that I've done a ton of labor on it, except for a little bit. I actually had some very, very good contractors working on this property. And it's basically a brand new house. We have replaced everything in this house with the exception of the windows and the roof. So anyone who's fortunate enough to get this house, you are literally getting a brand new house.
Well, I mean, I've been through it and looked what was going on inside. And next week we'll have more detail on the thing, but it really, tell us a little bit about the layout and whatnot inside, because it's pretty cool. It's going to be nice.
Yeah, so it's right around 1,800 square feet. It has again, redone kitchen with solid countertops. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and we also have a bonus room that you could use as either a bedroom or an office. This house is already wired for not only Spectrum, if you want to use them for internet and cable, but it also has a Brightspeed fiber optic line coming into the house as well.
Okay.
So if somebody was working from home and wanted to use fiber optic line, you have that option. It's already set up. So, but yeah, I mean, again, we have a former garage space that has been converted into like a family room area with a beautiful bench seat with a really nice mosaic in it. Just a great space, a family hangout space. I think it's a perfect house for a young family, especially at the price point, because we're going to be listing this house for under $300. So probably around $275 is the price point we're going to be looking at, and should have it on the market, I would say, in about a week. So.
Okay, well, we're going to do a video next week of it, and I'll show you all the details, but it's got great little backyard, fire pit.
Yep.
I mean, there's just a lot going on here.
Yep.
Big front yard.
I mean, it's corner lot, so you have,
corner lot.
Yeah.
With, I mean, it's a really nice area.
Yeah,
so
nice little neighborhood, well established. Been here since the 1960s here at Getting Right. So
come back next week and see all the details.
Yeah, there you go. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Have a great week.
Thank you.